Are you ready for the most coziest holiday countdown of this season? Yes, it is time to talk about the Frosty Forest amigurumi crochet along that is coming up in December. I am all cozied up with a cup of tea in one of my favorite wintry Moomy mugs. Did you know they have released a wintry Moomy mugs each season for, I don't know, for forever? A knitted sweater and my cozy knitted socks, and we are gonna talk all about this crochet along. Everything from materials to yarns to abbreviations and all this stuff that you need to know before the crochet along starts the 2nd of December. This will be my 20th amigurumi crochet along. I can't really believe it. It all started out 2018 when we crocheted Ralph the Moose together. He stole a lot of hearts that first crochet along and is still one of my best-selling amigurumis. And I mean, who can blame him? He is adorable. Last time we crocheted together was in October. I tend to host 4 crochet alongs a year. Approximately 1 per season. Last October we made Latte di Capybara. This is just to get a little bit of a vibe of what we are making. And if you don't know me from before, I am Veronica, a full-time amigurumi designer that loves to make colorful creatures together with you. And this December we will also be making a happy amigurumi to add to the happy amigurumi family. Let's start with what materials you will need. You will need yarn, and I have already gathered all my stuff in this little basket to keep it safe and neat. I highly recommend you to do the same if you have a dedicated project bag or a little basket. Put everything that you need for the crochet along in that. The main color of the amigurumi is beige. Then we will have brown as an accent color, white, black, and this really nice light green color that I've recently fallen in love with, and I just got very inspired and I had to add it to this amigurumi. So this is our color scheme. I think it's gonna be so fun, and yeah, I'm very excited if you can't tell. So that is the yarn. I'm using Alba cotton from BC Garn. It is a organic cotton yarn. The skeins are 50 grams and 160 meters. So if you want to change your yarn to something else, feel free to do that. Feel free to dive into your yarn stash and see what you have there. You can switch it up to Hobby Friends, Hobby 8/4, or is it 4/8? Katona, Järbo, Nova Cotton, for example, if you're in Sweden and have access to Järbo's yarn. If you are in Finland and you have access to Novita, they also have a really lovely cotton yarn. They're different, and if you have questions on can I switch out this yarn to this that I have in my stash or that I have at my local yarn store, put it in the comments below and we can help each other out to figure out if it's gonna work. But it's an amigurumi, so you can basically use whatever yarn you have or want to buy, and depending on how thick your yarn will be, the size of the amigurumi will change a little bit, but nothing else will happen. Because we are not doing garments, so it's not, the gauge is not, doesn't need to be precise. And that's the fun part of amigurumi, because you can dig through your stash and actually use this as a stash buster project as well. We also need a crochet hook. I am using my favorite Clover crochet hook, 3.0mm. If you're changing up your yarn to something else than Alba, you might need also to change up your crochet hook size. Then we need, in my little wallet whale pouch, I store all my notions, and we also need a pair of scissors. My favorite ones are the Finnish Fiskars scissors, of course, and some darning needles to weave in your yarn ends. And for this project, I highly recommend you to also get some pins to help you with the assembling. Another thing that you need for your amigurumi is, of course, stuffing. That is everything you will need in material-wise for the crochet along. This crochet along is a 7-part crochet along plus a assembling party. I will put in all the dates here, but you can also find all the publishing dates in the blog post that is linked down below. You can also download this pattern part tracker sheet thingy and keep it in your project bag so you know when each of the new parts come out. The crochet along is hosted inside the Happy Amigurumi Club and is free for all members. So to sign up for the crochet along, the only thing you need to do is to join the club. You will find all the information about that also in the description. You will get a message to your email when the new part is available on the Happy Amigurumi member hub. There is a section on my website where I'm going to publish all the parts of the amigurumi so that it's easy to find and everything is under the same roof. When signing up for the club, you will also get access to a bunch of exclusive amigurumi patterns that are only available inside the amigurumi club, together with a fun Discord chat where we chat about all things from our pets to current crochet projects. We also host annual live streams where we crochet together, as well as movie nights. One is coming up actually this week and we're gonna watch a holiday movie together and crochet, and they are usually very cozy and fun. For this project, you will not need to know any crazy advanced techniques. The most advanced technique will probably be half double crochets. I like to make my patterns very beginner friendly and easy to follow, so whether half double crochets might be a new technique for you, I bet you will glide through this crochet along smoothly, even though it might be something that you haven't tried before. If you have any questions regarding this crochet along, let me know in the comments below. I have also made a blog post where you can find all the full information about this crochet along, how to sign up, what to know before the crochet along start, all the nitty-gritty details in one and the same place. Are you joining our fun crochet along? I hope you are. This is my favorite time of the year and also my favorite event to host. I love crocheting together with you and just doing something creative together that maybe scroll a little bit less on social media and focus a little bit more on crafting and actually enjoying the season. So yeah, I hope I will see you inside of the Frosty Forest Crochet Along. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!